Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from the group of 8 will discuss the topic of the relationship between food and agriculture. Agriculture is an activity of utilizing biological research in which humans play essential managers to produce food and industrial raw materials and obtain the energy source needed from nature and the environment.
All agricultural activities are basically economic activities that of course also require basic knowledge of how to manage the place of business, how to choose seeds, techniques and methods of cultivation, harvesting, and also other economic sciences. Indonesia is one of the agrarian countries where the majority of the population lives in poverty with their livelihood as farmers.
Or it can also be said that most Indonesian people depend on this agricultural sector for their livelihoods, whether it's farming, raising livestock, or anything else. In general, Indonesians consume agricultural produce as their staple food. The role of the agricultural sector in the national economy is the provision of foodstuff for Indonesian population, which currently numbers hundreds of millions of people.
The role of agriculture as a provider of relatively inexpensive foodstuff has enabled the cost of living in Indonesia to be classified as low in the world. And the low cost of living in Indonesia is one of the national competitiveness. The success in providing adequate and stable foodstuff has a big role in creating national food security and its relation to social, economic, and political stability.
The food security system in Indonesia comprehensively includes four subsystems, namely 1. Availability of food in sufficient quantities and types for the entire population. 2. Smooth and even distribution of food. 3. Food consumption of each individual that meet the adequacy of balanced nutrition with effect. 4. Community nutritional status.